Good morning, guys. This is Jinx. It's a rainy day here in Australia on a Sunday morning. I just want to let you know that I'm a student nurse and I am kind of learning to trade. I have an addictive personality and I have no way or form can teach you anything. But I'm just sharing my experience. I'm not a financial advice, and this is not any indication of what to buy and what not to buy. But I'm just sharing my knowledge because I struggle to find information, and I am hoping if someone is learning to trade, they find the tools what I share and it's useful for them as a beginner. So I have a very small account and I'm planning to try penny stocks, and I usually use Finviz to find my stocks. And today I'm like looking at another website which is called stockanalysis.com. And in stock analysis, this is the home screen. I go to stocks and I go to the screener. So what I'm trying to do is add some filters. I want stock price because I'm trying to look at low price stocks. I'll look at volume. I don't know, volume or average volume. Okay, let's take both. And those are my filters. So what I'm gonna basically do is click on stocks. So that's super. This is the top paid, top price stock. And let's go the other way. This is the cheapest stock. And I want percentage change because I'm trying to find which is moving upwards. So when I click that, so for the cheapest stock, this is the highest change that is happening. But I'm trying to consider something like $1, $2, and something cheaper like this. If you look at the cheaper ones, the most volatile ones I normally see are the healthcare and technology industry, and I do see some aerospace over there. But yeah, I would. This is how I would find my penny stocks to trade. So this tutorial is not to show you how to trade penny stocks, but how I am using stock analysis website to find my penny stocks. And basically I'm want to be like a momentum trader, so I want to trade buy the lowest and sell when it goes up. But if you are trying to do the other way around, which I would never suggest for a I would never suggest for where did I go? What just happened? Let me go back. Okay, we were here. Stock screener, filter, stock price. Oh, it's only taken that. Let's go to the general one. Okay. Choose the lowest, and which is moving upward. And I just wanted to show you one more. Like if I choose this one, when I enter that, it shows you what's happening on that. You have to take it to trader view to analyze it, but you can get a rough view like what's happening in a month. Ooh, it is down and all the way up. That's good. And then you can read something about the company and what's the latest news and why it could have actually been a catalyst in raising the price. You can look at the trend 1 month, 1 year. Ooh, it fell down. But this is usually the case in penny stocks. There would be a downward trend most of the time, and it's not a good idea to hold on to them for long. Possibly be in it and get out of it, make a profit couple of cents and get out of it as soon as you can. Yeah, guys, that's it for today. This is my new discovery about finding how to find penny stocks. I hope this tutorial is useful to you as much as it was useful to me. I hope you all be a blessing to everyone you meet. Be nice to your family and friends because we don't know. This could be a last day, and we don't want to die regretting that we should have done this, we should have done that. That's it for today. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.